Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick look at the newest and latest version of the Windows 10 Insider Preview. Now, when you go to the update, if you're an insider, you will see something very simple. It will say Windows 10 Insider Preview 11099. Once it's installed, you've got something that is quite long, as you see here in the watermark on the bottom right. Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview, Evaluation Copy Build 11099, RS1, meaning Redstone 1, Release 160109, 1156. So pretty long number, but the RS1 does tell us that this is the first installment of Redstone. Gabe All of Microsoft did say not to look for any big changes here. There's nothing really special. What's happening is they've been working on fixing the core of Windows, getting it ready for Redstone. And in this build and in the next few builds, there will probably not be a lot of changes. Now, one thing that is to note if you're an insider or if you want to become an insider, the builds that we have now are faster in release. So that means there will be more chances of bugs and of problems. So if you're not an insider that wants to have bugs or have to reinstall all the time, you better go back to the slow ring if you're in the fast ring to make sure that you get only the more stable release of the insider previews. I've been playing with it for a little while. It seems to be stable, but playing with it, going into the different options and everywhere, I haven't seen any differences yet. I know that this is not a build where you have the extensions and Microsoft Edge yet, but that's eventually going to come. It's the first build of 2016, nothing much. So if you're wondering, okay, should I upgrade? Is there something interesting in here? Not really. So you can probably wait. Now there are some issues for those that have upgraded. There's logon for devices using the Citrix Xen desktop may be broken, and it's recommended that if you use that, not to use this insider version for now, and put your machine in slow ring. Also, applications that depend on Adobe Flash may crash upon launch, like some versions of Skype, QQ, WeChat. Now, they say that does not affect Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, but I've had some crash of Adobe Flash on Microsoft Edge going into some websites. So a lot of websites where I've had to go to places where Flash was actually used, I had a box at the bottom that said, well, Microsoft Flash, or not Microsoft, sorry, Adobe Flash has crashed. So basically, I'm not sure it's not that extended. It is pretty extended, I think. Of course, in this build, lots of apps are defaulted. For example, music and video is defaulted to Windows Media Player. You can, of course, go into the settings and change that back. For sure, Cortana and search settings for choose default apps, and it's going to work. Because there's nothing really fantastic in this build, I don't think it's really important for anyone that wants to try insider previews to go to it. One thing for sure is that I did have an install problem. When it downloaded the first time, it actually gave me a Windows 10 Core error, blue screen, and it didn't want to upgrade. I had to restart the download of the Windows Insider Preview and start it again. So I did have that little issue, but apart from that, seems to work okay. Seems to be a nice, version, but like I said, there's nothing new. So basically, if you're, an insider and you don't really want to mess around, for now, there's nothing really important in these versions. If there's anything else that I see, of course, I'll let everybody know. So, as of today, January 13, 2016, we're at Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview build 11099. It's RS1 release, so that means that we are at Redstone. That means this is a Redstone release, and hopefully we'll get some new features in the near future for these insider previews. For those that are asking, because I always get these comments all the time, isn't Windows 10 finished? It is never finished. Windows 10 is a work in progress, and that you have to know. If you enjoy my videos, want to subscribe to my channel, you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know, let us know. Maybe you have a feature, something you would like me to make a video about, let us know also, and we'll try to post a video. Thank you for watching.